Alright guys, KTAuthentics Sports Memorabilia Cards. KTAndle. Gonna do box 3? Package 3? I don't know what we're doing, but what we call this, but good luck, man. I think I finally figured a way to do it because it won't tell you on the bottom. Is that backwards though? Yes, it's backwards. That is not Babe Ruth. You're welcome, Omar. Not Babe Ruth. That is George Wahlberg, 6 of 10. See one of the short printed ones? Rube Wahlberg. Does not say short printed. Gaudy 145. Philadelphia Athletics. Rude Wahlberg. Very cheap team, you did well, Omar. I'll have another PYT at some point. Alright, Keith. Hopefully those fit in a small flat, right?